Hello. Here is my map for Lab 2. So we're looking at the percentage of high-income households in each census tract. So this data is coming from the NHGIS website and the U.S. Census Bureau. And as for high-income households, that we have determined that as any household that earns more than $100,000 in a year. So one interesting trend that I have noticed is kind of not only the disparities between the rural and the urban areas. There seems to be a lot of affluent households close to the cities, but also if you look within the city, let's do New York for example, you can see how urban sprawl has really changed the dynamics of a city as far as income distribution. So the innermost city tends to have lower income households, and the surrounding suburbs tend to be more affluent because they can afford, they want to spread out, they want to have more land, they want to have bigger houses, they don't want to be crammed and deal with the traffic. But because they are earning more money, they can afford the transportation costs of commuting back into the city. And you can see that across the US on this map. For another example, we can look at Atlanta right here, where a lot of us are from. These orange yellow dots are the locations of my classmates where they have lived prior to coming to UGA. And me, for example, I am from this little dot right here, which is from Cobb County. This is my census tract, and if you look, it's 75.1% of high-income households. So this is a really affluent area, and if you zoom back out, you can see that the inner city, especially the southern part of the inner Atlanta city, is very much has a lot less income in the households or per household than the northern part and the northern suburbs. So yeah, that was just one trend that I found really interesting about this map.